Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting upright with your spine gently tall or lying down in a relaxed posture. Allow your hands to rest softly and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and slowly exhale. Let yourself arrive here, now, in this present moment. Begin to gently bring your awareness to your body. Notice any areas of tension without judgment. Just observe. Now, start to scan your body from the top of your head, slowly moving down to your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. With each breath, allow these areas to soften, to relax. Move your attention to your neck and shoulders. Let them drop away from your ears. Feel the weight release. Continue scanning down through your arms, your chest, your belly. Let your breath be your guide. Gentle, natural, steady. Notice your legs, your feet. Feel the support of the ground beneath you, holding you, grounding you. Now, bring your full attention to your breath. Feel the air as it moves in and out of your body. No need to change it. Just observe. Inhale. Feel the rise. Exhale. Feel the fall. Let each breath anchor you in this moment. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently bring it back to the breath. Inhale. Exhale. You are safe. You are calm. You are here. Now, silently repeat the following affirmations with each breath. You don't need to force them. Just let the words flow through you. Inhale. I am calm. I am calm. Exhale. I release tension. I release tension. Inhale. I am grounded. I am grounded. Exhale. I let go of what I can't control. I let go of what I can't control. Inhale. I am enough. I am enough. Exhale. I am at peace. I am at peace. Let these words soak into your being. Let your body and mind soften into stillness. Let's do that again. Inhale. I am calm. I am calm. Exhale. I release tension. I release tension. Inhale. I am grounded. I am grounded. Exhale. I let go of what I can't control. I let go of what I can't control. Inhale. I am enough. I am enough. Exhale. I am at peace. I am at peace. Now, in your mind's eye, picture a peaceful place. It could be a forest, a beach, a mountain, or a quiet room filled with light, somewhere that feels safe and serene to you. Notice the colors, the sounds, the air around you. Feel the warmth or coolness, the breeze brushing past you. Allow yourself to be fully present in this peaceful space. Let it fill your heart with ease. Let it remind you, this calm is always within you. This calm is always within you. Before we close, take a moment to bring both hands to your heart. Feel the gentle rhythm of life within you. Let your breath slow even more. Soft, steady, spacious. Now, allow a gentle smile to rise, even just on the inside. Feel gratitude for this moment, for your body, for your breath, for simply showing up for yourself. As you sit in this quiet stillness, know that you are never truly alone. This peace, this light, this presence, it lives within you, always. Now, slowly begin to return to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Notice the room around you, the air on your skin. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Bring with you this sense of calm, peace, and presence. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Carry this stillness with you throughout your day. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. The divine in me sees, honors, and embraces the divine in you.